Yo, Jimmy Sequence in the place. Dancehall hot seat.
La one la legendary. Hello.
Yeah, yes, boss. Say something.
Bless up, bless up, bless up.
So that's going on.
Digo.
That's going on Sequence YouTube channel. That's Digo. See? So we're gonna be doing an interview. I'm going to set up my camera and record the interview so I can put it on the channel.
Here in the beautiful South Florida on another Wednesday night.
Wednesday, right?
Yeah, we have a special guest in the studio with us tonight. A man who goes by the name of Jimmy Sequence.
Yes,
Jimmy Sequence, wagwan.
There, you know.
That is it, that is it. So we're gonna reason with Jimmy Sequence further on in the show about everything in events that coming up.
Yeah, you have something big going on for us, right?
Yes.
Sound system roll call.
Sound system
every
roll
first
call.
and third Sundays.
Okay,
Okay.
so it's every first and third.
And third, yeah.
Alright, so
Four
we're gonna-
sound system.
Alright, so we're gonna go further into that when we come back. Alright, so Lala, what going on with you today?
You know, I'm good. I had a nice, long, busy, productive day at work.
Yeah,
Yeah, and
that's what's up.
I heard in the news, like, we're gonna have to rewrite the history books in Jamaica.
What? What's going on?
The map will get redrawn.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have 15 parishes now.
We'll get back here, man.
Would I wish? We would wish. No, but officially Portmore has been made a parish. They're gonna start
So
doing,
we're no longer part of St. Catherine?
it's gonna be its own yeah, you
So
got your
Portmore is no
own.
longer country?
It's still up no
Yeah, really. I'm gonna be come from this.
So yeah, that's the fun fact for tonight.
Alright, that's what's up. So you know we're gonna play some music, some more music. And we'll be back with some more. You know, Dancehall at Seat on INI Radio. 102.3 Miami and Fort Lauderdale, 99.7 Orlando, 105.3 Vero Beach. And please stream us live on iniradio.com. Alright?
Download the app.
That's it. Yeah, South Florida.
We are back.
You know it's Dancehall at Seat on the radio. INI Radio to be exact. 102.3 Miami and Fort Lauderdale, 99.7 Orlando, 105.3 Vero Beach. And please stream us live on iniradio.com.
Alright, we got Jimmy Sequence in the building.
Yes, and he has that big event coming up.
What day is the event?
It's Sunday. This Sunday coming, the 16th.
Alright, so February 16th, people lock it in, and where is it gonna be?
At the luxurious ballroom.
Okay, we know where that's
Yeah,
at.
Okay. And what gave you the inspiration to...
To do the 4 sound thing.
Yeah, it's 4 sound. I
It's
thought it was
So what
5 because I was counting.
It's 4,
It's actually 4. Okay.
I want to know, like, what exactly is, so what is it called?
Sound system roll call.
So what is that? What does that mean?
Alright, so we decided we wanted to do like, you know, they have the sound system festivals that they're doing all over the place.
Yeah.
So usually those are done outdoor. See? So we decided we wanted to do it at
Indoor.
luxurious. Indoor.
Okay.
Okay.
So we wanted to do it. We wanted to do it every Sunday at first, but then we kind of switched it up to first and third. And we bring in 4 sound, and then we kind of said, what we gonna call it?
And who made like the decision of what sound is going to be on it?
Me and my brethren, Hot Stepper, Sequence
Okay.
and Hot Stepper, because the 2 of us doing it.
Yes, I saw the 2 names on the flyer. So,
Right, so we decide who get on.
and is it like a clash?
It's really not. It's like you can play dubs, but it's not a clash. See?
Okay, so it's
We encourage
basically
you to play a dub, but we don't want to get too down and dirty. You feel me?
okay. So it's like a juggling.
Juggling, and like the last hour we play straight dubs. If you want
Okay.
to play dubs, you can play straight dubs.
Oh, in the last hour.
You don't have to, but you can.
Okay.
So will there be a winner for the night, or it's
No,
just a friendly vibes?
It's a showcase.
Yeah.
Sound system
Okay.
showcase.
So it's like how they have like Coachella, you have different stages. You're just gonna kind of put on.
And it's
You're gonna
be a big
showcase
sound.
different sounds, big sounds, yeah. For the
Okay,
audience.
so you say it's every first and third.
And third, yeah.
First weekend and third weekend of the
Yeah,
month.
first Sunday, third Sunday.
Okay.
And we have like a minimum of 8 bass speakers.
Wow.
So it's like but most of the sound them have
Yeah,
3
but-
times that amount. But
Yeah, but
you have,
for
to, you have
indoor-
to be at least that big.
But for indoor, that sound like
Oh.
it's perfect
It's
for
I
serious.
indoor.
just
serious.
caught something. I just caught something.
What you call it?
he said you have to have speaker boxes. So how many sounds in Florida don't have boxes?
No, he's talking about for the event. He has
For the
eight
event.
bass speaker
I
box.
thought that was like a
Are you
category.
talking
like,
about the what they call it, the pouches them?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Pouches are welcome if they're invited by a sound.
Okay.
You can't just show up. This is one of the events that we don't encourage 50 pouches to show up. But if a sound invite you to come, if you're a DJ and a sound invite you, then
Okay.
you're good.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna go for a small break, and then when we come back, we're gonna speak some more with Jimmy Sequence
Yeah.
about
The
sound
roll call.
system roll call,
Yeah.
and we're gonna get some more information on this big bad event that's coming up. All right. Yeah, good afternoon, South Florida. You know, it's Dancehall Hot Seat on the radio, I Radio. You know, it's Digo, Soup, and Lala. And we joining the radio station tonight with Jimmy Sequence from Sound System Roll Call. Every first and third.
Sundays, yeah.
Every first and third Sundays. So you know that's the event we're gonna need for check out, alright?
Luxurious banquet
Luxurious
hall.
ballroom, yeah. Your luxurious banquet hall, yes.
Okay.
And ladies are actually free.
Ladies are free.
Yes.
Wow. Long time I don't hear about one of them parties that
Come
ladies
on,
free.
come on, enough ladies.
That is it.
Okay.
Alright, so how did you get into the whole sound system culture? How did you get into
Okay.
it?
Let me tell you where that started. Me and my brother came up from Jamaica, 13 and 15. But before we came to America, we actually had a 4KT tube amp sound system in Jamaica. We built that from kids. We were little kids.
Wow.
So we brought the tube amp from Jamaica, bring it up here.
Yeah,
We lived here for about a year, then we moved to Chicago for 2 years.
that's what's up.
Came back down here and started a sound, we called it Unitone at the time.
Okay, who was on that song?
Just me and my brother,
Okay,
Byron and Jimmy Sequence.
yeah.
See, and we did that for a little while until it started to get a little bit bigger. And then we decided we needed to change the name. So we said, what we're going to call it? Sequence. What sequence mean? Doing things in order. So
That's
we
what's
decided to roll with that name. So but that's back in 1980, 81.
Yeah?
And Sequence has been doing it. Because most of them, back in the 80s, 90s, almost every big show, I'm talking big show at Snyder Park, CB Smith Park, Bicentennial Park, we were the ones doing most of those big shows.
Okay.
And most of the big dances, if we're not in the dances, they're using our sound system for the dances from 80s and
Wow.
90s.
So you have a real powerful sound system then,
Big
man.
sound.
You build a big sound, a literal big sound.
Big sound, yeah.
Alright, so who were the inspirations coming into sound system culture? Who were the sounds that you look up to at the time?
Here,
Whether here or there.
we are one of the original sounds. But back in Jamaica, remember I left at 12 years old, but there was a
Yeah.
sound in Montego Bay called Soul Faith.
Yeah,
Saying, and the next sound named Tika.
yeah,
Them sound has some Moby sound.
yeah.
The youth were named Soul Faith. Russian and him they build the tube amp for me. See?
Okay.
But then they had Ray Symbolic and all of those sounds that used to come to Montego Bay and play on the beat. So I was always into sound system.
Okay.
See, when I was a little kid, there was a dance hall. When I'm home,
Yeah.
there's a dance hall. You know them bamboo dance hall.
Yeah.
Like I could literally stay in my bed and listen to the music I play. So I was into music from
Early.
9, 10 years old. I was
Yeah.
into it like that.
I can relate to that.
Yeah, and we decided as soon as we can, as soon as me and my brother start making any kind of money, we started out with the guitar box and with like 412 in it.
Yeah.
That's what we started with, and an amp from Radio Shack. You know the amp with the radio on it?
No. No.
A receiver.
Okay,
A regular
okay,
receiver.
okay.
Yeah, we started one of those and 412s.
Yeah.
Seeing? And we built it from that to Sequence the big sound. I mean, it's a Sequence travel all over the place. We play with Stone Love, we play with Bodyguard, Inner City, Travelers, Renaissance, Addis.
You name
Yes,
it.
Addis. You name the big sounds out of Jamaica.
Alright.
Seeing? We play with them here.
Alright. Who gave you your first dub plate?
My first dub plate. I don't remember. I've been making dub. I mean, I have Barrington Levy. I get some Barrington Leaves from early. Earl
Okay.
Cunningham, I'm a bridging, so Earl Cunningham, I'm one
Okay.
of them. But Sugar Miners, I'm a bridging, was my bridging. So
Real
Sugar
Sugar
Miners,
Miners.
they have some real sugar. Cause Sugar and them man, they used to come and hang out at the house.
Yeah.
So we recorded them. So we have some dub from practically most of the big band them from back in the days. So I don't know who was the first one.
You don't remember which
No,
one?
I don't remember
But
who was
it's
the
so
first.
long, people.
Yeah.
You don't even remember who's the
Who
first.
was the
dub
first
plate.
dub plate? Absolutely not. It's been a minute.
All right. And so, being in the sound system business for so long, what are some of the changes that you've seen over the years?
Okay. Alright, back in the days, when we started, as a matter of fact, Sequence, my brother is the selector.
Yeah.
Him still use turntable. See? So back in the days, it was turntable. There was no laptop. That was before laptop days.
Yeah.
See? So him use turntable and he used to use one turntable. So you talk on the mic and just, yeah.
So you have to quick with it.
Yeah, well, you don't have to really be quick with it. You have to,
Oh, for
you have to be
talk,
able,
for
you have to
the
be able to
lyrics.
talk. Exactly.
Okay.
So him talk and play music and him still do that today. Seeing we have the laptop and the regular thing, but when his segment come on, if you go up on YouTube to the channel, Sequence Sound, the YouTube channel, you'll see him still playing music on turntable and him wicked like that.
Okay.
So I
Love
watched
never
that.
dies.
I watched from that to Stone Love and them come and start do the, because back then there was a distinct difference between dancehall and clubs. See?
Yeah.
Stone Love them kind of changed it and put the mix up dancehall and club into one.
Okay.
See? Because back then dancehall was just rubber straight.
Yeah.
You never used to hear no DJ music or dancehall.
Okay.
That came later on after Stone Love them. Like you never hear a man play a DJ dub plate back in the days.
Wow. I
Yeah,
didn't know that.
I saw him digital here. See, it was the first sound I hear play a dub plate that was a DJ. It sounded weird to me at the time. Come here and say, yo, DJ dub plate. Yeah, back then they have none, the straight singer.
Okay.
And nowadays I pay a DJ and make dub, but back in the days they never have no DJ dub like that. It's mostly singers.
Okay.
And how are you able to stay in the sound system culture for so long?
For so long you have to love it.
You have to love it.
You have to love it because sound system you spend money like crazy and 99% of the time you don't make it back. It's just a spending thing. You have to love it. You understand? Because right now in South Florida, there's probably more than 100 big sounds. I'm not that little sound, big sound.
Yeah.
And most of them not making any money. It's kind of like a hobby.
It's a hobby what they love.
They love it.
Wow.
You have to love it because and it's expensive.
Oh, it's an expensive hobby.
It's a very expensive.
But it's like when you love cars,
Yeah,
when you
I'm a-
love sound.
I'm a car guy too because I have a car channel.
So
I
you
have
have
three.
a lot
I
of
have three. I have
expenses.
3 YouTube channels. So I have
Oh,
a-
okay. I'm a car guy too, you know?
Yeah, I have a channel called Exotic Car Culture. So
Oh.
Exotic Car Culture, Sequence Sound, and then I have my big channel which is ACC Driving School. I own a school and I have a big YouTube channel for that. That's my
Okay.
biggest channel actually.
So you actually teach people how to drive?
How to drive, yeah.
Okay.
That's my business. That's my bread and butter.
There are a
like
few
this and-
people who are recommending it. Them already have license, but them need to go to school. You see?
What you can get points off of licenses?
You can do it on my website, yes.
Okay. Big plug there. What's the website?
ACCDriverseducation.com.
Okay.
Wow. Alright, so back to the whole sound system thing. Have you guys ever been in a clash?
I've been in many clashes. Back in the days, what?
Tell me about one of the big clashes.
The big clash. Alright, one time we played with Bodyguard, see? And we spent a week and a half in Jamaica, in the studio in Montego Bay.
Yeah.
See? Electrophone studio, 1 solid week. And then we leave from there and go to Kingston, the Junior Reed studio. And that was an epic dance, trust me. But we play with everybody still. We play clash with Stone Love, we clash with
So
everybody.
you said that was a clash with you guys and
And
Bodyguard.
Bodyguard, yeah.
Who win?
Sequence win.
Sequence
Straight.
win.
Kick up Bodyguard.
You sure if I talk to Bodyguard, if they're going to tell me a
Talk
different
to
story?
Johnny. Johnny will tell you that. Got me at
That
that.
was the selector tonight.
Johnny was the selector, yeah.
Alright, so I know with most sound there is one person who play the music, one person who talk.
Okay, my brother play the
Right.
music and talk. I am the engineer. I'm the one that make the sound system and make sure so it play good.
So you don't actually play on the sound on the nights when
I'm
it's playing.
playing now because I'm playing the laptop. See,
Yeah.
my brother is a record guy. He play a record, I play the laptop. So I play the dubs now on the laptop.
Okay.
Do you think that the whole laptop thing make it too easy?
It spoiled the game.
Absolutely.
If you want me to say it real, it
The
spoiled the
water,
game
the
because you hear
water.
me. Yeah, because back in the days you have to actually
You have to
spend
take
your
time,
money.
you know, remember me on one laptop DJ.
Yeah, but you are going. You used to have to go to a record shop and go buy a record to be considered a sound. You have to buy, you have to spend money. Nowadays, they have a file with 1 terabyte of music.
Yeah.
And you just share it. Everybody have the same file. Everybody play the same music everywhere they go. Them not even them set up them little folder.
Yeah.
And they make a playlist and they all play the same songs. Them are
mad.
1 million songs and them see them play. They might have 50 songs where them play.
They might play number 2 as number 3 the next time, but them still get played from the
Yeah, man,
one
them say
file.
that one file them not, and them have music like them have millions of songs and them not playing them. So it change, it spoil.
Does it make it less fun for you?
I mean, I love music. When I go to sound system events,
Yeah.
even if I go to a concert, I'm focused on the sound system,
The quality
the
and
quality of the sound.
Yeah.
See? Like when everybody else jump up on this and that, I listen to the sound. If
Yeah,
the sound,
walk around
if the
and
sound no sound good, me can't enjoy it.
Yeah.
I mean that.
As an engineer, it's the same for me because through me to go to school for engineering.
Yeah,
Like when I listen to a song, I
Yeah.
listen for the mix.
exactly.
Sometimes I say, yo, that song gonna mix good.
Yeah, but you see, that's
Even
why.
though I think I could have done a better job, but still I
But
say,
you still I hear it. You see, if you are a singer
yeah,
and you want to ask people your opinion on your song, don't ask a singer or an engineer.
because they're gonna find faults.
Because
'Cause-
instead of listening to the song, they listen to what's wrong with the song.
yeah, because when you have a trained ear,
Exactly.
you listen for the faults.
For the faults. Instead
They're
of
trying to make
saying
it better.
instead of saying the song nice, man. Because a regular person will listen to it and say, yeah man, I love it, man.
And somebody will take
What
that
is
the
it?
wrong way.
Yeah,
Somebody
but,
will take that the
but
wrong way.
engineers, I don't, because my son is a singer.
Yeah.
See? And we have a studio. And when I make a song and I'm asking opinions to try to get a feel on the song,
Yeah.
I ask my students. I don't ask the so-called experts because experts only going to tell me what's wrong with it.
And sometimes the
Yeah.
rough sound is what make the song a
Because-
good song.
Authentic.
Hear me? If anyone knew what was going to be a hit song, they would only be hit songs.
True.
So therefore, you make a song and put it out there, and if it happen, it happen.
Because even the best hit maker fall off at
What do you
some
mean?
point.
If they knew which song was going to be a hit, they would only be hit songs.
Alright, so back to the event. Alright. Why did you choose this lineup for this event? For this Sunday?
Okay, let me tell you how it works. Usually, my sound, sequence sound and hot stepper sound,
Yeah.
are the 2 resident sounds.
Okay.
See, and then we bring in 2 other sounds.
Okay.
So this time we decide to kind of step out of it ourselves and bring in 4 songs.
Oh.
So
So
it's-
now it's 6 sound.
No,
No,
it's
they're
4.
not.
We're not in it. Sequence and hot step are not in it this week.
Okay.
So we have 4 songs. So we have Intensity, which is a palm beat song.
Yeah.
And we have New Wave, which is another palm beat song.
Okay.
Saying we have Oneness, which is from Miami. And what's the next one again? Okay.
Mama's Boy.
Now Mama's Boy is a DJ.
Okay.
And
Oh, so
Martel,
you actually have 4 sound.
Martel the mixer. 4 sound system.
Okay.
Delta 4 sound with Martel the mixer. Mama's Boy is just a DJ that is
Okay.
on it. But each sound, they're allowed to bring 2 DJs.
Okay.
2 or 3. I mean, we're not really all that strict on it. But we encourage people to play all kind of music and, you know, keep a
Okay.
vibe. Keep a vibe where everybody can enjoy it.
So what kind of music can we expect at the event?
Mixed music. That's what I'm encouraging.
Mixed music.
Mi-
So
music I
no
want some-
specific genre.
Nah, just play music where everybody can enjoy.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it's more like a party vibe.
That's what I'm trying to do.
And how
Okay.
long has it been going on so
It's
far?
2nd month.
Second
Oh,
month.
this is the
Okay.
second month.
Second
Okay.
month, yeah.
All right. And we probably spoke about it, but we're going to go back to it again. What gave you the inspiration for this event?
I love sound systems, see? And
The
we've
love of sound
we've
system.
been looking for a place where people can showcase their sound because there's a lot of sounds.
Yeah.
And most of the sounds are not getting any plays anywhere. You understand? Because, I mean, even if there are events going on, they will rent one sound system and put 10 DJs on it.
True.
So most of the sounds are not getting anywhere.
Okay, so the actual sound system with the box and everything.
That's what we're showcasing. Not
Okay.
DJs, we're showcasing sound
Okay.
system.
Okay, so we're gonna hear we're gonna see who have the better engineer then. Who's sound tune
Hey, but
the
you
best?
You what no. the thing, we have a bridging. Tracy have a bridging. See? If there are every time we go there to play,
Yeah.
at least 2 of the sounds is engineered by Tracy. Tracy is the engineer for most of the sounds.
Okay.
I engineer my sound. I build my sound myself. I do everything on my sound.
Okay.
But most of the sounds have 1 or 2 engineers. There's not that many engineers that make sound here. So Tracy is the main one.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Just get hired by different songs.
different
Yeah.
sound system.
Yeah.
So whenever so right now we're trying to when we put in the sounds we have to kind of make sure Tracy is not the engineer for both sounds. And then
Because,
Tracy
yeah.
overwork. So yeah, that is what it's about. You have, it's a sound quality thing, and you can see who's the better engineer, who's the better sound.
I like it. I like it. And I mean, how many boxes can they bring? I know these.
Eight subs. So you can bring 4 double 18 or 8 single.
Okay.
Hot Stepper have single, so he always have 8 single.
Okay.
I have like 12 double 18, so I always just bring 4 of my double 18.
You have 12.
I have 12, yes.
And I'm sure that's not all.
No, and then I have 8 singles still.
See?
all right, folks. All right, so we're with Jimmy Sequence speaking about the sound system roll call. Remember, it's Sunday, February 16th, 2025. So this Sunday to be exact. And it's going to be at Luxurious Banquet Hall, 3500 Northwest 15th Street, Lauderdale, Florida. And remember, it's going to be hosted by Mr. Lexus. You're going to have sound like Oneness Sound System, New Wave Sound, and Intensity Sound, Martel the Mixer, and Mama's Boy will be in the building.
Delta Force, Martel the Mix and Delta Force.
Oh,
That's
Delta
his song,
Force.
yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. All right. So stay tuned. We're gonna play some more music, and we'll be back to speak with Jimmy Sequence. All right.
INI Radio.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, South Florida. You know, it's Dancehall Outside on the radio. INI Radio to be exact. 102.3 Miami and Fort Lauderdale. 99.7 Orlando. 105.3 Vero Beach. And please stream us live on INIRadio.com. And remember, we're joined in the studio today by Mr. Jimmy Sequence from Sequence Sound System. All right, so Jimmy, go on. So what kind of vibe will we expect when we come out Sunday?
How should we dress? Like, yeah.
Yeah,
Just casually, I guess. Comfortable. Just be comfortable.
comfortable.
Yeah.
Alright.
It's a vibe. It's a good vibe because it's music. If you like music, if you like sound system, quality sound systems, because that's really what we're trying to promote is good systems, right? Like you have a minimum of 8 speakers, 8 bass speakers with the top ends to match. So you won't find no little dibby sound. It's all good sounds. So expect some good quality sound systems. Enough music, enough DJs, and it's a vibe. It's a good vibe. If you're into music, it's a great vibe.
I know it's free for the ladies to get in.
Ladies are free.
All
yes.
night?
All night.
Not even till 12, all night?
Actually, it ends at 12. It's
Oh.
from 6 to 12.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
them
yeah,
kind of
yeah.
vibe there,
That
early
kind of
vibe.
Early vibe, yeah. So
Alright.
I was actually, because I do a YouTube video before every event.
Yeah,
On the YouTube video, I said ladies free until 8.
okay.
But then we've since decided ladies are free all night. Because
That's what's
more
up.
want the lady them to come out.
And it doesn't
Yeah.
even have to be a birthday, ladies. Come out with your friends.
Yeah,
you
man,
can
just-
just comfortable because the music will be good, and I'm assuming there's gonna be some food,
Yeah, there's food. There's
There's
food.
food.
Simone
I
is
don't know.
doing the food.
and the guys are gonna come out. So ladies, maybe you get a drink for free. Who knows?
You know, I mean, ladies always get free drinks.
You know
so-
that we know what they say about Jamaican men. Jamaican men are very hospitable.
Exactly. There's always
That's
gonna
a good
be a few
Caribbean
guys.
men.
Few guys that's gonna buy the bottles and share it with the ladies.
Okay.
You know how that go.
Yeah, man, that's what's up. All right, so you said it's from 6 to 12?
Yeah, we start. We the sound systems usually get there about 2 in the afternoon, right? So we'll string up, but we can't start officially until about 4. We can't play the sound them loud until 4 because the venue them have some churches and things.
Yeah, within the vicinity.
Yeah, so from not within the same complex. You ever been there?
Yeah, man, I've
So
been to
I-
Luxurious.
Right, so most of the front part of it, they do church and stuff there on Sunday.
Okay, I didn't know that.
So we set up, but we still can't really play loud until after 4
Okay,
when church finish. But officially we start at 6 p.m.
all right, and on the flyer, I saw a lady, like she doing food and thing.
Simone doing
Simone,
the food, yeah.
yes. I've never had
Oh,
Simone
Simone
food.
is
Simone
Wonderful.
food good.
Oh,
My
s-
uncle loves Simone food.
Simone food.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you've ate Simone
Yes,
food before. I've
I've
never
had-
had Simone food. So
I've had
tell me what kind of
tacos
food
from
to
her.
expect.
Well, she have all kind of food: curry goat, curry chicken, jerk pork, The works, the Jamaican stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I come
Soup
out
and
early, I
thing
can
and
get
thing.
a soup and a food and go and chill and enjoy the music.
Yeah, man.
And everything I got based inside or
Yeah, the sound systems are inside.
so everything I got
the
based
food is
inside.
outside.
So we basically have to eat outside.
The food
You
outside,
can buy
the
your food
the
and bring
liquor
it
is
to you.
inside, and
Okay.
the sounds are inside.
Okay, that's what's up. Alright, so you have any idea the sound them we are gonna bring for the next one or you gonna start planning it yet?
Yeah, the next one, I know my sound will be in it. Sequence, Hot Stepper,
Yeah.
and I believe we're going to be Braxton Movement and Pure Vibe from somewhere up North Florida. So we have Pure Vibe, Braxton Movement, Sequence, and Hot Stepper on the 2nd of next month.
Okay, so when you hear that folks, when you hear the sound them we're gonna there for the 2nd. Alright.
So ironically, the 2 months, the Sunday fall for the 2nd.
Yeah.
Like the 2nd and the 2nd.
Yeah, because February
First
28th. Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's why, yeah. Alright, so we join in studio with the man himself, Jimmy Sequence from Sequence Sound, and he has the big event coming up, folks, this Sunday, starting at 6 p.m. at Luxurious Banquet Hall, sound system rollout. So, wanna please show, please. You see what I say? Will there be a cover charge for the man them?
$10 for the man.
Just
Cheap,
10
cheap.
That's
Hold on,
it.
hold on.
That's
Got me at
good.
$10.
Hold on.
Oh my
Hold on.
God.
Come like you get the event, the venue free.
I don't. Here, in a real life, I'm building it. See?
Okay.
So I'm encouraging people to come out. So I'm making it as cheap as possible.
Listen, a long time in the hear about a party where $10 for
Let me
going
tell
in.
you, $10 for the man, then free for the woman,
Free
just to
parking.
kind of get people, free parking, just to get
And
people
the
to come out.
first in a long time.
I want to tell you, even though at $10, them have some people come and turn back and they don't want to pay $10. Real.
That's okay.
No man, no. Cause any little
Serious.
party where you go boy, it's like a $30 cover charge
I know that.
with no entertainment. That's the same sound them I listen the night before.
Sound class are $50 and $75. And that them a charge a sound class.
Whoa.
And the man come listen to 4 big sound. And I don't know liquor sound, a big
Yeah,
sound.
4
real
big sound.
Yeah.
See, and they don't want to pay $10. People complain for $10. They turn around and go
South
back
Florida,
home.
do better than that, man. Come on, South Florida, do better than that. Cause when you got some of the event, them will have to pay from in the parking lot.
You know,
Right.
that me I tell
Before
you.
you can even park your car, you come out $20 or $40.
Yeah,
But
just
you know that's how it is when you're building something, right?
Yeah.
Once it's big, they will come and pay whatever you charge. But when you're trying to build it,
yeah,
you understand, they don't want to help you to build it. But once it's built, they have no choice but to support it.
that's true. That's true.
So you said that you've been doing this since 1981, if I caught you correctly.
Well, the sound system,
Right?
me and my brother came from Chicago about 79, see? And we started then with the receive and the guitar thing.
Yeah,
But officially, Sequence as a real sound. I mean, when I say a real sound, I mean sound with amplifiers and professional looking
Yes.
boxes and things. About 80, 81, yeah. And we've been playing and building since then.
That's still 44 to 45 years in the game. So, you know, even if
Yeah.
you want, that is, you don't have to try to small it up. So, it's a big deal. So, being 44, 45 years in the game, I'm sure you've been to a couple different places. Where are some of the different countries that you've performed?
Okay, so we play in Bermuda with Queen Latifah.
Wow.
Whoa, that's big.
Yeah.
Queen Latifah, Marcia Griffiths, Tony Rebel.
Marcia.
When Tony Rebel did big.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's still a big name.
Yeah, I mean, I'm saying
I know you
when he
mean.
had his biggest songs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
love you like my first.
Yeah, them songs,
man.
when them songs they were big, we did that in Bermuda with Tony Rebel. And then we shipped the entire system to the Bahamas, Nassau, Bahamas.
Wow, okay.
That was
Hold
secret.
on,
How did that happen?
hold
Yeah,
on,
what
hold
was the
on.
logistics behind that?
So,
The
tell us
year.
about back in the days, right? Because more I know, when I sound they travel, them they have to carry them box.
Not all the time. We used to.
So what
let me tell
made you
because
bring your whole sound to Bahamas?
Because we were the ones promoting the show in the Bahamas. Me and some friend of mine.
Okay.
See, so we shipped the container would come to the house, to the warehouse actually, my warehouse,
Yeah.
and we would load the sound system into the container, and then the custom people would come and put like a lock on it,
Yeah.
and I think that you can't bust, you can't pull it. They have
Yeah.
a thing on it, and they ship it, and when you go to the Bahamas, then come and open it, and when you're done do your system, your event and whatever, them come again and lock it
Yeah.
and come in your yard, come take it off. And if it busts at all, they look to see what I'm up and
Yeah, man.
problem. So yeah, we did that. 40-foot container full of
Wow.
sound system.
That's a big deal.
Queen Elizabeth Sports Stadium in Nassau, Bahamas. Big thing.
Yeah, bring your sound pan.
That
literally bring your sound.
Yeah,
pan
yeah,
too.
we had
Right.
Tiger back then.
Yeah.
Tiger,
Yo, Tiger was my favorite, man.
Frankie Paul, Sequence, and who else? Somebody else.
Yo,
Frankie Paul.
Tiger was my personal favorite. The
Yeah,
whole
man.
Tiger performance was so energetic.
Yeah, man, Tiger.
Like,
Tiger the
But
Wild.
legit, as a little youth, I go school when Tiger crash, I cry.
Aye,
Yeah.
you
But not gonna lie, because Tiger was so big at the time.
hear about Tiger Crash? Aye, hear me. So when Tiger crashed, we had 2 shows. One in Nassau, one in Freeport.
Yes.
Saying we did the Nassau show, and they stopped us in Freeport because they had some Jankono events, and they said they don't want no reggae in the island on the island, the same like they do in Jankono. So we couldn't do
Okay.
the reggae show. So when Tiger crashed, Tiger owed me $2,500 for the show. That we were supposed to reschedule the show,
Yeah.
and he crashed. I never got that $2,500 back.
Oh, so maybe if him the get to perform at the show, him wanna crash.
He probably wouldn't crash.
Yeah.
All right after.
Blame it on the Junkanoo.
Big up Tiger. Anyway, him there. You know it go.
And big up
Up, up.
Nassau for eating our reggae.
Yeah, and
Up a Mona. Last time I see him up a Mona. Big up Tiger.
when we do like dance in Jamaica, like I play on Water Fletcher Beach in Montego
Yeah.
Bay, Jamaica with Jaro and Electroforce.
Alright. So we're gonna have more when we come back with Jimmy Sequence. Alright, so we're gonna pay some bills and we're gonna come back and talk, play some music, talk to Jimmy Sequence again, alright? So stay tuned. I Radio. Yeah, good folks out there. You know it's Dancehall at Seat on I Radio. 102.3 Miami and Fort Lauderdale, 99.7 Orlando, 105.3 Vero Beach. Alright. And we're still here with Jimmy Sequence from the Sequence Sound. And we have
Yeah,
Lala
yeah.
in the building, Soup Scudder there somewhere around the side.
We're on one part, yeah.
You know the thing go. So back to the event, cause
February
this
16th.
event is gonna be crazy.
Yes.
I like the lineup.
I
love
like Ladies Free.
Mama Boy is
Oh my
gonna be on it. And
gosh.
he's like one of them new young selector that we are going good, Mama Boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I've heard Mama Boy name somewhere else.
and then you have a Martel.
Martel the mixer. Martel is a
Big
vibe.
bad
Delta
Martel.
Force,
Yeah,
yes.
Delta
Big
Force.
bad Martel. You see what I say?
Was it
So
Oneness Sound?
Oneness, yeah, Miami Sound, and then you have Intensity and New Wave from Palm Beach.
West Palm
That's
Beach
what's
in the
up.
building.
and remember people, it's February 16th.
Yes.
From 6 p.m. until 11,
At
until 12,
Lugs-
until 12 actually.
At Luxurious Banquet Hall. So please come out early, come enjoy yourself. The food gonna be great, the music is gonna be great.
I'm gonna
The
be
sound
there.
them I bring them sound system so you gonna hear some good bass.
Yeah.
You know the real sound system vibe. It's gonna be there.
It's gonna be a vibe.
That is it. So before we go, anything you wanna leave with tonight before yes man say?
Check out my YouTube channel. I want you guys to subscribe to Sequence Sound, the YouTube channel. Exotic Car Culture, my car channel if you're into cars. And
Yeah, what you talk about car? What kind of car thing? Tell me about it.
yeah, my
We have a couple seconds.
yeah, I have the car channel, Exotic Car Culture. I
Yeah.
do a lot of the car shows. I go to all the major car shows and record them for my channel.
Okay, that's what's
So
up.
that's that.
You know, he changes cars like shirts.
Yeah, I'm a car guy. I love cars. I love cars. So I can relate.
Yeah, I love cars, but I don't really know much about them.
So you gotta
I just
go
like
to
the fast
YouTube
ones.
page.
Yeah, I'm gonna check out the page so I can learn some stuff about cars. You know it go. And Lala in the building. What going Lala? What y'all left for with tonight?
Listen, I'm so excited for Sunday, so that's what we're staying on. We're leaving on that topic.
That's
the
it.
first and third Sunday
Sunday.
of every month. And ladies, you're free for right now, so hurry up and come before them change the price.
Yeah, free all night.
Free works every day.
$10 for the Monday.
$10 for the man, them free for the
Trust
day.
me.
Dancehall hot seat.
Alright, so folks, we'll be back with you again Monday, same time, 9 to 11, Monday and Wednesdays, every Monday and Wednesday, Dancehall at Seed on I Radio. Alright?
Love ya.
That's
Yeah,
it.
Yeah.
disappointed sound boy, calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.